how to create channels on your Discord server. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this basic and simple tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can create a channel on your Discord server. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to our server. So to go to our server, simply click onto the second tab, and here you can also see the initials of your server. So this is my server which names is one server, and from here we have the different channels. So you have the text channel and the voice channel. So if you would like to add a text channel, simply click onto this plus icon that says create channel. Once you will do this, from here you can determine the channel type again. So currently it is set to text. If you would like a voice channel, you can choose voice or a forum channel as well. Then you can type in the channel name. So we already get the default general channel, or apart from that, here let us name it ideas. So this is our ideas channel. And from here, if you would like to make it only a private channel, which means only selected members and roles will be able to view this channel, then you can simply enable this as a private channel. If not, simply leave it as it is and click onto this create channel option. And now you can see that we have successfully created a new text channel in our Discord. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.